I welcome you all, grade 5 children. Today we are going to see chapter 3, part 3. And your upcoming topics are rounding off numbers and international system of numeration. What is rounding off? Why do we use it? Rounding off means replacing a number with an approximate value, and it helps us to make a number simpler and easier to calculate. For example, I have about 2 3/4 or 3 cups of milk every day. Which one is easier and quicker to understand? Yes, 3 cups of milk. That's why we are rounding off the numbers. Now, students, take your studio book page number 68. We are going to do 3.11. Karthik was traveling by a cab. At the end of the ride, the amount to be paid to the driver was rupees 296. But he paid the driver rupees 300. Instead of 296, he paid rupees 300. In page 68, why do you think Karthik paid the driver rupees 300? Why do you think Karthik paid the driver rupees 300? Instead of rupees 296, he paid the driver rupees 300. But why? What's the reason? Because in certain situation we don't want to give the exact amount or accurate amount. It is not needed. That's why we can round up or round down the numbers. Here, Karthik rounded up 296 to rupees 300 because it is more than 295. And moreover, if we are giving to the driver rupees 290, definitely the driver won't be happy with that. It's better to round up the number. That's why Karthik did here. So what will you write here? Because the exact or accurate value is not needed. So now we will see about number line. What is mean by number line? A line on which we mark numbers is called number line. And the more important thing is all the numbers should be placed at equal distance. And see here, it starts from 0 and it is up to 10. So it starts from 0 and it's up to 10. What's the mid number among this? Yes, it is 5. That's why they boxed up this number. Continuing with the page 68, now take page number 69. So here also a number line is given. Circle the mid number between 10 and 20. Circle the mid number between 10 and 20. The number starts from 10 and it is up to 20. The number starts from 10 and it is up to 20. Now just can you say what is the mid number here? Yes, it is 15. So I circled that number, finding the mid number. But why do we find the mid number? Because it helps us to find whether the number should be rounded up or rounded down. It should be rounded up or rounded down. Let's see this example. The number 17 is given, right? The number 17 is there and it is more than 15. So they rounded up to 20. And here the number 14, it is less than 15. So they rounded down to the number 10. Okay. So now see this 2 point. It is very important to round off a number to a certain place. This 2 point is very, very important to us. If the digit is greater than or equal to 5, we have to round up the number. If the digit is lesser than 5, we have to round down the number. So below to that, some questions has been given for you. Let's have a look in that. It is, see the first question, 16,78,123 to the nearest 10,000. So we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 10,000. So what is the first step? You have to round off the digit in the 10,000s place. So here 7 is in the 10,000s place. After to that you have to underline the digit in the thousands place. So now just see whether the number is greater than 5 or less than 5. It is greater than 5. So we have to round up the number. So how to round up the number? By adding 1 with this 7 we can round up the number. And after 2 7 it will become as 0. So it is 68,80,000. Now we'll move on to the next question. It is 34,54,017. To the nearest 100, we have to round off the numbers to the nearest 100. So now which digit is in the hundredths place? Yes, it is 0. So now just circle the digit and underline the digit in the tens place. Now it is, see here, it is 1. It is less than 5 or greater than 5. It is less than 5. So we have to round down the number. To round down the number, don't want to do anything. So just write down the number up to 0. So after that, it will become as 0. So it is 34,54,000. So now, see the third question, 43,978 to the nearest 1000. So as first step, we have to round off the number in the thousands place. So which number is in the thousands place? 3. And underline the digit in the nearby place. It is 9 and it is more than 5. So I'm just adding with this 3. So it will become as 4. So it is 44,000. Can you understand? Yes. Now see the fourth question. It is 10,59,855 to the nearest 1000. To the nearest 1000. So just circle the digit in the thousands place. Yes. What is the digit in the thousands place? It is 9 and underline the digit in the nearby place. It is 8. It is more than 5. So we have to round up the number. So what we have to write here? So 9 plus 1, 10. So it will become as 0 and here carry over 1. So it will become as 6. So it is 10 lakh 60. After to that we have to insert zeros, right? So it is 10 lakh 60,000. Yes, you are right. Next, 23 lakh 63,570 to the nearest tens place. Now what is the digit in the tens place? Yes, it is 7. And nearby digit is 0. It is less than 5. So we have to round down the number. So we have to write the number as it is. So it is 23,63,570. So once again, why do we round up or round down the number? To make our calculation easier. Now just come to page number 75. How is Indian and International System of Numeration related? How is Indian and International System of Numeration related? Let's see that. In Indian system of numeration, we have periods like units period, thousands period, lakhs period, then crore. But in international system of numeration, we have units period, thousands period, and millions period. In Indian system, after to 10,000 we have lakhs, 10 lakhs and crore. But in international system of numeration, after to 10,000 we have 100,000, then million period starts. And this is the difference between Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So see here we are going to do 3.16 PEP, Preparatory Enrichment Program. Preparatory Enrichment Program. It helps us to recall our previous classes. Now see here one article is given for you. Read out that Young India needs 10 million jobs every year in the coming decade. Young India needs 10 million jobs every year in the coming decade. So in this article, the word underlined is million. So like this, where else have you seen this word? The million word you have seen in this article. Like this, where else have you seen? My answer is in census survey. In census survey. While calculating the population, they will use the word million. Like this, where else have you seen this? Yes, give your answer by your own. Thank you, children. We'll discuss about the international system of numeration in our next class.